I'm Terry Bradshaw. Throughout my career, I have found that a person's success is more often than not dictated by their own self-awareness. Join me as we explore what makes people tick in order to gain some insights. In an industrial setting, safety means more than just making sure the buildings are up to code. In an environment that changes dramatically from minute to minute, often involving hazardous equipment or processes, everybody present must be aware of what is happening at any moment. The most practical way of doing this is through verbal announcements over a public address system that covers every part of the working area. In these kinds of environments, a clear, powerful, and reliable sound system is crucial. These audio systems disseminate important information about daily activities, warnings of dangerous events about to take place, how to keep safe, and, in an emergency, vital data that can save lives. One company in Norway has been producing durable speakers for just these kinds of places since immediately after World War II.
We currently employ 150 persons worldwide with 3 international offices, one in UK, United States, and Germany, and we have annual sales for around $20 million US.
At the end of the war, 3 Norwegian sailors came out of German prison camps acutely aware of the importance of public announcements that keep everyone apprised of what was going on. Together they formed D&H Speakers, which now produces one of the widest ranges of speakers for industrial and commercial applications in the world. Today, the company provides more than 85% of all speaker installations used on offshore platforms in the North Sea. D&H Speakers also deliver vital announcements throughout the London Underground, the Swiss public transportation system, German railways, and cruise ships constructed in Italy, Finland, France, and Germany.
I think the most important thing is to make a reliable loudspeaker. If you're on board a platform and you have an alarm situation, you have to be sure that the loudspeakers are working all the time. It could be in snowstorms, in hurricanes, or whatever, but the loudspeaker must work. So we know that the system that we deliver into the loudspeakers are 100% reliable.
In some industrial settings, speakers must be able to survive and perform reliably in harsh, sometimes hostile environments, subjected to intense heat, vibration, the constant spray of salt water, or fumes from corrosive chemicals. The careful choice of the right materials, such as durable plastic and hardened stainless steel, can make a big difference in the longevity of the sound system.
Depending on the standards that are required worldwide, we choose materials like polyamide, stainless steel screws, and aluminum.
In some volatile environments, the air can contain flammable fumes, dust, or particles, which would only need a small spark in order to ignite them and cause an explosion. To address these conditions, D&H was the first manufacturer to come up with an explosion-proof speaker in 1962. Special designs are necessary for other critical applications, such as a clean room.
A loudspeaker in itself should never cause an explosion. In other words, you can put a loudspeaker, an EX loudspeaker, into your gas tank in your car, and you can play Mozart or Beethoven or whatever, and you can be sure that the loudspeaker will not cause an explosion.
The rules and regulations within various jurisdictions are always changing, reacting to recent incidents and new lessons learned. The way D&H products are manufactured also changes to keep up with new requirements, regardless of where they are imposed. The workplace is expanding, often into uncharted and dangerous territory. Far beyond just supplying a product that makes a noise, D&H feels it is helping to save lives.